Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today I'm in Myrtle Beach. I'm at OutBreak, Dread the Undead. Yes, there are zombies. This is in the Hollywood Wax Museum. It's very scary. So if you go to the Hollywood Wax Museum, you can get this as well, or just do this alone. There's also Hannah's Maze, which I will do a video on later. This is OutBreak, Dread the Undead, and it is very scary. It's a lot of zombies. First thing you do is they'll bring you in a room and you will see a video and they'll tell you what happened. And yes, something bad happened and the zombies are out. So let's watch our reactions.
Stay in there. Don't touch me. Who are you? Do you have a name? Not coming in. Oh, dead people. Oh. At the morgue. Stop that. That one comes from everywhere. It's the scariest one ever. Oh! Yeah. Run, 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 run! Stay there. Okay, not that scary. Oh, it's so dark. Woo! Where are we going? Oh! Oh! If I was here by myself, I think I would die. Ah!
So I had never been to a haunted house or anything before. So this was really scary for me, as you can tell, and I was so glad it was over. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up.